Hello everyone and welcome to the third project of CS50 Web, the e-commerce website. The first feature we are asked to show is implementing more than three models in addition to the user. So as you can see, I have made 5 models: listing, bid, category, watch list, and comment. So that's it. The second feature we are going to show is the index page or the active listings page. So first, let's log in. I've created this user previously. So as you can see, we have 3 listings on the active listing page. For each listing, we can view the item. The title is displayed, the description, and the price. The third feature we are going to show is how to create a new listing. So let's say we are going to create a new listing. I will add this listing, this watch here. So the title, and then let's take the image. Next, we'll take the description. Also, the category and the image both can be blank, but let's add a category and an image. So price will be 60, and as you can see, the watch has been listed. So if I go to the active listings page, it has been displayed. Also, here you can see as the owner, you have the option to close an auction. So let's show the fourth feature. The fourth feature I'm going to show is the listing page, but first let's log out and log in as another user. So as you can see here, when I go to the page as another user, I have the option to make my bid. Also, I can write comments. Nice watch, high quality. As you can see, we can make comments, the price, the category, the owner, and we can even make bids. If I try to make a bid less than the current bid, it doesn't let me. And if I make it equal to the current bid, it will also give me an error as I have to bid higher. So let's say 75. And now the price indeed has changed. I can also add it to the watch list. The fifth feature I'm going to show you is the watch list. So here is the item I just added to my watch list. I can also add other items, like let's add this gaming laptop, for example, to my watch list. And I have 2 items on my watch list. Let's say I want to remove this item from my watch list. I also can. Now let's see what happens when a user wins an auction. So I'll log out and log in as the owner of the watch. Here you can see the comments have been displayed, and now I have the option to close the auction. So I will end the auction, and now the listing is no longer visible on the active listings page. However, when you log in as the winner of the auction, you can still see the item as it has not disappeared for you, but it will display a message that you have successfully bought this item. The sixth feature I'm going to show you is the categories, and as you can see here, I have 2 categories, one for the phones and one for electronics. And when I view the category, I can see all items listed under the category. The seventh feature I'm going to show you is the admin or the super user. As you can see, as a super user, I have the option to view all listings, comments, and even users. Uh, I can choose to delete this listing, for example, and also the comments will be deleted. And as you can see, it has been removed. That's everything. I hope you like the project, and thank you.